Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review Msty. Msty is a simple and fun app made for sending personalized messages in a more emotional and meaningful way. Instead of just plain text, Msty lets you combine your message with music, creating a deeper and more personal experience. It's like sending a short love note or a friendly message with the perfect song playing in the background. The app has a clean and easy-to-use interface. You choose a message, pick a song from the built-in music library, and send it to someone you care about. It works great for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to make someone smile. The music adds feeling to your message that plain words often can't. It's especially popular for couples and close friends who want to stay connected sweetly. The app also suggests message ideas if you're not sure what to say. You can send messages instantly, and the recipient gets a beautiful card-like screen with your text and song. Msty doesn't require much tech skill. It's beginner-friendly and smooth. However, the music options can feel limited depending on your location or plan. Still, it adds a fresh twist to messaging apps and makes communication more heartfelt. If you want to surprise someone with a thoughtful note and music, Msty is a lovely and creative option. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.